How to make more sales on Facebook using only free strategies is what I'm gonna share tips about with you in this video. Hi, Tommy Olsson here. Thanks for tuning in. I recently made a video about the benefits with optimizing your LinkedIn profile and benefiting from LinkedIn in general to make more money and build your business further. But Facebook is also a powerful still platform to use to generate leads and build a business. So that is what I'm going to share with you now. For sake of branding, make sure that you have some kind of banner. If you lack money and don't want to spend money on a banner, you can make a pretty good banner at canva.com. You can sign up for free there, or you can spend $5 and go to fiverr.com and someone will make a cool banner for you. You might wonder why almost like a cartoon image, but I usually don't have it, but I haven't had it for a while because switching profile images is good for getting more attention and so on. So, but anyway, and you can click the photo and then you can put a link to something. So when people comment your new photo, and they will see a link to your capture page or something like that, so you can make more money. And the free, to begin with, you should add and connect with more and more people daily. I have a little bit more than 2,000 friends, but you can have up to 5,000. And it's important that you just don't post about your business and telling them how great it is. And because 80% of your post should be motivational quotes or motivational content in other ways. It could be something you have gone through that you want to share with your audience, and you can there's different ways you can share value, share tips on your marketing tips that other markets can benefit from. And here's a post I made a while back. But so 80% motivational post, and 2 times a week you can post something about your business. And you can of course promote your business by connecting with people and chatting with people as well. And then you gotta focus on get to know them and what they need, and don't be so hasty in sharing links to your business. Be ready to listen to them, and then you can, somewhere down the line, you can tell them what you're working on, and maybe they get curious, and then you can share a link to a capture page. I would suggest that you always use a capture page when sharing your business, because the money still is in the list, or how we communicate with the list. The better you get at communicating with your list, the more money you make. But it's a good thing to start building your lists. Email marketing isn't dead. It still works very well. And don't give up if you don't see that much results from the start. It can take a while before you see results, so be consistent. I hope you like this advice. Another thing, make sure before you post anything on Facebook that you should like and comment on your contacts content as well, because that way more people will see your content, and also people who will like and comment back, and it's good for the Facebook algorithm. Now, would you like to make multiple unlimited $197 and start for just $1. Then click to check it out, the offer, if it's something for you. Thank you for watching. Feel free to subscribe. Have a great day. Bye bye.